go.
Oh yeah! 10 bucks. 0 to 60.
He's going down. Later, loser.
We did all the things at the 7.3. I can beat you 0 to 60. 2000s era wheels. It is time for something new.
Wheel spacers? Yeah, that's right. Go yourself.
I'm putting you under citizen's arrest.
We are going to torque it to spec, not the German spec of Guggenheim.
Oh, this is gonna take forever.
Are these 35s as well?
275, 65, 20, whatever that is. Oh, so guys, when you're putting on these wheel spacers and stuff, first off, these are billet steel. We bought that on purpose. Something about 8,000 pounds of truck and then that little chunk of aluminum. That doesn't make me feel very good.
Suggested. Oh, no, are you kidding me? 450 pounds! That is impressive.
One of you guys drives this thing home. Billet steel spacers are a good start. Put these on, torque everything, torque the inner nuts, put your wheel on, torque the outer nuts to spec. Go for a drive it for a couple days, at least 50, 100 miles. Park it, take your wheels back off, re-torque those inner nuts. And if they moved a lot, then you should probably do that again after the next 100 miles. If they just move a little bit or didn't move at all, you're fine. Just check them at every oil change. Because it's a spacer, you got another set of nuts that can come loose. Check them when you change your oil, because you should rotate your tires when you change your oil, even though I know you guys don't do that. So check them. This is a safety thing, especially if you're gonna use this with a gooseneck.
In my professional opinion, these square mirrors look a lot better on the 99 to 07s than the 6.7 style with the little.
Oh yeah, the
You know what I mean?
2020 style?
Yeah.
Horrible. They only look good on excursions. They do actually look good on them.
Push and twist.
Oh man.
Top tip. If you're worried about breaking your really hard to replace Ford plastics, put the screws in with an extension and use it like a screwdriver. It's not going anywhere. That's all you need, man. Don't use a ratchet.
Clean that. I would argue it's substantially cleaner than a whistle now.
All those who just go up to whistle standard of cleanliness, just ridiculous.
Top tip, super duty top tip.
Get her.
Glass cleaner all over the interior of your truck as you're trying to clean the outside of your truck.
And I know it's behind the mirror and you're never gonna see it, but you'll know.
Stick it in. Not there.
I did not tell him to do that.
Fish it down. And for all of you wondering, we are gonna get a strawberry blonde hair flip out of Cameron later, so. Oh no, that's with hat off and taking out the bun.
We'll drive those fat boys crazy. Chrissy cross them. Plug it in, Holmes. Plug it top tip. Hold both sides when you're plugging it in. Put your speaker on and bada bing, bada boom. Bob's your uncle. If your door liner's flopping, like it was on my truck, you can get that, it's called butyl rope. Just get it pretty thin, like 1/4 inch stuff. You can kind of stretch it and then just press it. Long strip, like they do on Chevrolet. On Ford truck. Get those in the tops of your holes. Roll the door panel forward. Make sure you're flat against the door everywhere. And you should be able to just slide it down, just like that. No fighting, this is a Ford door. You're fighting it, you're doing it wrong. Thick boys, go to your window switch. Thin boys, go to your locker. Listen, listen. God's gift to this green earth, Costco. We're getting some freaking pizza.
I'm gonna get a hot dog personally.
Here you go, guys. Top tip. Buy your wipers at Costco because they're cheap. Here's an actual top tip. Factory size, according to this book, is a 20. I'm just gonna get 22s. A little extra wipers.
Have y'all
Watercraft
used Kirkland
rating.
signature brand? What is the oil like? Is it?
It's probably fine, I guess. I don't know, I've never used it. Can I get a hot dog?
So you got both.
My chubby, fat, white friend
Viewers like you.
has hooked it up courtesy of Costco.
We just like their hot dogs
We
and
just
pizza.
like their food. And then just bullshit.
Push it real good.
Wiper rubber guards.
Yeah, you won't be able to wipe your windshield with those on.
Wouldn't even be able to wipe your butt, dude. And now that it's stopped raining, these windshield wipers are doing great.
Have you always wanted your own windshield wipers? One of you lucky guys is going to get these epic Michelin branded windshield wipers, unused.
There you go, folks. That's all she wrote. Wipers on, made it all pretty, super sick.
New mirrors.
Got some pizza and a hot dog. That was sick.
What we can do is see if those wheels
Oh,
made
yeah.
a difference in
See
power.
if it slowed us down. Go grab Charlie, and I'll let him break this thing. Hey, Charlie.
What's up?
What's up, dude?
You're tall, but not that tall.
Yeah, this truck's a little high, man. Not as cool as mine. Anyways, can you take me for another draggy run on the 7.3?
7.3 draggy
Yeah.
time?
We need another fresh 0 to 60 with our friggin' sweet wheels and tires. We think we're gonna like blow them off, do a big burnout, or?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Maybe. Hopefully it doesn't hop and break.
Okay.
We got to beat Josh's
gotta beat
time,
Josh.
though.
Here we go. Come on. Woo!
378.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Still owe him 10 bucks.
Where's the money, dude?
Where's the money? I can't. Okay, got it right here.
10 bucks.
Josh, 10 bucks says I can beat you 0 to 60 time. Easy in a crew cab 4x4 lifted truck compared to his regular cab 6.0.
Yeah.
Easy.
Do I detect a note of sarcasm?
Are you kidding me? This baby is off the charts.
We honestly don't know if the vacuum hubs work. So
Oh, I actually never checked. I think
they are locked.
Yeah, I think you did that actually, Charlie, when we first bought the truck, because you asked me like, "Hey, should we lock the hubs?" And then you were like, "Do you know how to lock hubs?" I was like, "I do. We're good."
Gentlemen, in the spirit of not messing up the test,
Yeah, I'm going faster.
I'm gonna bow out.
Bye, Jason.
So
See you guys
Later, loser.
later. Is that proper, Cameron?
Yeah, that'll be
That's totally how it works. As long as it's immobilized, it's all that matters.
Permanent modification right here.
Sorry, whoever wins this truck. Rocking and rolling, dude. Time for a friggin' 0 to 60 rip.
Like a giant was driving
Yeah.
this before me. Had to lower the steering wheel,
seat all the way
raise the
down.
seat.
Yeah, I think we'll be faster.
I don't know if we will. Let's move a crew cab
Yeah,
that
we're a lot
fast.
heavier.
Lighter and had 100 horsepower more.
Yeah, and whatever, better training, better gear ratios.
So pretty.
How lucky are we?
Pretty nice.
That's
a great view.
nice.
Superstition.
Draggy's working.
Extra 5 horsepower. Turn off the AC.
Reset. All right.
Ready?
Yep. Oh. Blew the tires off the back.
Let's make sure it's completely locked in 4-wheel drive this time.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in 4-wheel drive this time. Let's do it. Here we go. Oh, damn, this thing's pretty good.
Oh yeah!
Oh, 0 to 60, 4.85.
Oh,
That's pretty good. This thing hauls, dude. 848 to the 8. Man, we're moving. Quarter mile, 1344.
I let out the 8.
Dude, this thing moves. I'm really surprised, actually.
Truck's still alive. Felt like we could launch maybe a little harder. I don't know.
Yeah, I think we can. How many RPMs were you at?
It was like 2,000.
That's really good. Go, dude. No pressure. Where are you at?
2,000.
Here we go.
2,500.
Oh, the tires off.
Oh, 2,500 is too much.
Yeah, too much. So there's a sweet spot. Probably
Got
like 22,
22.50.
50. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, blew all 4 tires off.
That was impressive.
Yeah, when you're doing a boosted launch, when you're sitting there on that converter, it gets it extremely hot. So you want to make sure to cool it down in between launches or drive for a while to get the heat out of the converter. It's a cop.
Here,
look.
I'll just shoot it. Yeah, we're just talking. Yeah, there goes the sheriff. Hey, sheriff.
The Mexican sheriff.
I don't see him. Hopefully we're good. Oh, that
There we go.
Oh, spinning a little bit.
There we go. Come on, what is it?
60.
515. You're good.
It was 550 that time?
515, so slower.
Oh. All right.
Ready to go?
It went really good. It
Yeah,
felt really
it's actually
good,
pretty good.
but it wasn't enough to beat Josh.
Yeah. So it was 484, 0 to 60, 8.48,
In the
8th mile.
8.4 in the 8th mile is
pretty
pretty
good,
good. I
yeah.
wonder what Wallace, pull up Wallace
Yeah,
Racing
so the
horsepower
8th
calculator real
mile-
quick.
All right, so the World of Wallace says 632 flywheel horsepower.
So we got to take 15% out for rear wheel horsepower.
Yeah, who can do the quick math?
Carry the 2.
8.5.
Cameron?
537.2.
537. We've been dynoing around 525 to 540. So that's right
Actually
there
pretty close.
where it should be.
Yeah.
Wasn't enough to get that 0 to 60 down. Granted, we're a crew cab, short
Yeah.
bed. little lifted, a little different, but if we launched too hard, it would just spin
Oh yeah,
all four
we
tires.
did a nice little four-wheel drive burnout. It was
Yeah.
sick. Yeah.
It's not as fast as Josh, but definitely faster than Cameron. We were talking about that while driving.
Faster than my truck?
Oh, it's definitely faster than your truck.
I don't know, man.
$10 does this thing
Deal.
still beat you?
Dude, I could
On.
crush this thing.
$10, 0 to 60?
He's going down.
Or we're doing 8th mile? Both?
Let us know in the comments. What do you guys think?
What do you
8
guys
miles,
think?
0 to 60. I really don't want to do quarter mile because I got those huge tires.
So what do you guys think?
Yeah,
We're going
let
to
us know.
dyno his truck, dyno this one, we'll overlay the dynographs, and then we'll race. What do you think? You think a 6-liter with just turbo, injectors, and a tune can beat our legendary 7.3 giveaway with a built-trans fuel system, oil, H-pop, injectors, turbo, air filter, exhaust,
this starts sound
Zoodad
like-
mod?
yeah.
We did all the things of the 7.3.
My truck's still stopped.
Oh, still stopped. What do you
let me
guys
know.
think the results are going to be next week when we
think I'm
race
gonna
0 to 60 and 8th mile?
I'm winning.